Look at that pretty girl. Oh, is it? I took a picture too.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
Mia, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You looking at yourself in the mirror? Are you pretty or what? Yeah,
Yes.
say pretty. Say pretty.
Say I can accessorize. There you go.
I don't know if it was recording or not.
Oh my goodness.
Listen. You pretty girl. You look so pretty. Who's the pretty girl?
Say Mia.
Say Mia. Kiss. Give yourself a kiss. Give yourself a kiss.
There
Yes.
you go. Is it recording?
I don't know. I think so. I see time moving.
Okay, then it is.
Oh,
take it off now.
Take it off. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look at you. That looks so pretty. She said, "Get it off. Get it off. Come here."
You got it.
You got it?
Kinda.
Oh, there you go. Looks like you got long hair. Ooh, pretty girl. Can't let her play with that like that. She's looking in the mirror.
You growling. There you go. There you go. You got it.
Good girl. You got it.
You're so smart. Back on.
Uh-oh, back on. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh.
She's trying.
She is trying, look.
Almost. Almost. Over the head. There you go.
All right.
There you go.
You're so pretty.
That's good.
We gotta help her with that one. That one's a little tough for her.
No,
but
she's got it.
Oh, she got it?
There you go.
What does she got in her hand?
The magnet.
Oh, the magnet. She messed up her bun.
You got it.
She's so cute.
Put it on. There you go. Right over the head. There you go.
Good girl. Go look in the mirror. Go see how pretty you look.
Look at the baby.
Go look at the baby.
Look at the baby.
Where's the baby in the mirror? Mia. Oh, okay, you gotta help her with that one.
Come here. Come here.
She's determined though. Look at her. Oh, she sees herself.
There you go. Over the head.
Get it off her.
Come here. There you go.
There you go. You got it. Just step out now. That's all she has to do. Oh, no, she thinks she's got to pull it all the way up. Get it off her.
Come here. Come here. Got stuck on your butt.
Now her arm. Get it past her arm.
Here we go.
She's really trying, though. All right. She's almost got it.
Oh. One arm.
One arm.
Put your arm.
Put arm through there.
One arm. There we go. There we go. We kind of got
no,
it.
it didn't come off all the way. Oh, you messed up her hair. All right, you messed up your hair. Up.
Are you still recording?
She's trying to put it back on again. He's not going though.
There
you go. All right.
Yay.
Good girl. Yay.
It looks pretty. Go look at it.
Good girl. Yay. Her hair's all messed up. I gotta stop this.